Hello, viewer. In this podcast today, I explain how repetition and practice helps learners to remember better and how technology can support long-time learning. I am Namsoke Doreen, a teacher of economics and geography at Chibuye Secondary School in Chegego District, Western Uganda. We all know that repetition works. If students want to remember, understand, and apply what they learn, they should practice regularly. Research by Herman Hambinghaus shows that we forget quickly if we do not repeat. This is called the forgetting curve. One of the advantages of technology is that it makes repetition much easier. Materials can be developed and used over time, provided the equipment are available. One of the common practice is to use flashcards. Flashcards can be traditional, say the paper, or digital. Let me take an example of how to use the traditional flashcards. A teacher is teaching the vegetation of East Africa can develop materials of images showing the different vegetation types and place them in the different learning stations and ask learners to describe the characteristics of the vegetation at the different station. Isn't this beautiful? I believe it is. This will not only promote critical thinking, but also collaboration and self-learning. With the digital flashcards, let's take an example of a teacher of biology teaching digestion. Develop images of the process. With a tool like ThinkLink, you can add hotspots to images with questions and send them to learners by any means. Learners will first think, write the answers, and then click on the images to check if they are correct. This helps them to learn actively. With flashcards, you can use a variety of teaching methods like quizzes, gallery, and learning stations, which make learning very interesting. But remember, when developing flashcards, make sure you share them with other teachers. You can upload them on platforms like Classement, where other teachers can review them, use, and also give feedback for improvement. Students can actively engage in creating flashcards, share them with fellow learners, as this will build a skill of assessment over time. Thank you for listening. Dear teacher, take the small steps to cause repetition in learning using technology. With consistency, the sky is the limit. Good luck as you take up this course. Thank you. Yo.